What's up guys, my name is Tayden Dyches and welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Today is game 2 of Utah Summer Games. Last game we came off a tie 1-1. Had to get our chemistry all right, but now we're excited for our next game. Right now, the whole team pulled up. We're just hitting some warm-ups and then it's game time. It's time to play some ball. Let's go.
He's so sad watching girls face that ball.
Oh yeah, that was nice. I don't know. Oh yeah, don't go. Yo, it's like the four back.
What's up, guys? I'm gonna pull this behind, then you have 2 feet.
Oh, the blanket, man. There you go. Oh, that's good.
Oh my days, you're the referees, bro. I need to score my goal. Bro, if you get the ball, all you hear is like 17 people saying your name. It'll go against.
Bro, it's violating right now.
There you go, Jake.
Have it!
Oh my! This is close. 99.
Oh, you got it, Jake? Oh, let's see some good one. Yeah. Oh, good boy. Oh, yeah. Oh, oh, hit it. Oh, yeah. Oh, golazo. Oh, that's a nice shot. Try and go! Yeah, look at the goalie!
Yeah, Nixon! Back on you! Good, get wide, Matt. Hey, call me coach number 4.
Out of the way, Matt! Out of the way!
Matt, take it.
Yeah! Let's go, man!
Hey, one of you guys. Hey.
Yeah, Schwarzenegger! Yo, hey.
Mason's got pink socks.
Oh,
Yo, that's
5 years ago.
yeah.
Oh, I thought it was Chance. He's the same one.
All right!
Yeah, Jake! Mitigate yours!
Yes! Did he finally score? He finally got
Yeah, Jake! Let's go, Jake!
No.
There it is. Goalkeeper, get yours.
No face.
Oi, golaço.
Come on!
Bang.
Look at the goal, look at the goal. Kick and go, kick and go. Kick and go, son.
Cross lateral.
Golaço.
Ah!
It was offside.
Look at the goal, it's not even.
Garbage can? I feel like maybe
We're gonna get in trouble.
they built this team for him. Oh, jeez.
Grady.
No. Jake is the goalie, right?
Yeah, Jake's a keeper.
Oh, come on!
Oh! Come on, Mason.
Get yours.
With your left. Oh my, Travella! Oh, go, Matt.
Keep going, son.
Give it to me. Knuckle, fight. Oh my days. Oh my days.
All right, Mace.
Hey, there's still some time left. I'll just take out my center back.
And run up.
And run up. Center backs, I got no grade.
No, because we cannot get scored, Jake.
We're not going to get scored on if I'm in center back.
Are you cold at all? Ay, golaço.
Too much, so that's my win.
Oh, he got it.
Oh, do it.
Dang.
Oh, save.
Golaço.
That's it. I'll be back. Yo, thanks for watching today's video. I scored a goal. Our team hit some bangers. Overall fun game. Thanks for watching. Peace out.